standing in my little shower in a drawer.
Welcome back, guys! After converting our van for nearly 20 weeks, we're so excited to say that we're almost done. And this week, as we put the finishing touches on our cabinetry using reclaimed wood from our friends at San Diego Urban Timber, we're going to take this time to show you just how splendidly one of the most favorited features in our van works. So kindly tap that like and let's see what this episode has in store. Good morning, guys. Today is a very special day because
it's your birthday. Happy birthday, babes.
Thank you. And we also want to show you guys how our amazing little shower in a drawer
works.
But first, we gotta get sweaty. So this morning we're parked at a trailhead for one of our favorite hikes in San Diego. See all the flowers? You can hear the birds. I don't know if that's the top, but Cowles Mountain is somewhere in this range, and it's one of our favorite hikes in the city. We haven't done it yet since being back in San Diego, so we're going to take you guys along with, hopefully get pretty sweaty in the process, and then we're going to show you how our shower in a drawer works. So stick around, you're coming on a hike with us.
Quack, quack, quack. It's oatmeal time.
Got all of our ducks in a line.
They've been waiting patiently in the cupboard for you. Power us on this hike we're about to go on.
Coconut oil gives it a nice silky feel. Almond butter, chia seeds, honey.
Honey for the honey. I can't resist.
It's raining.
Really raining right now.
Look out of our porthole. Oh no. But I see blue skies out there. We still have to go on this hike, babe. At least we have a nice hot shower after. Do we wait or do we go? I say we go. It stopped raining. It looks like more blue sky is coming. The birds are singing. I'm a happy girl. Drew's giving us a little preview of our shower in a drawer. If you guys didn't see our DIY video yet. Wow.
Look at that.
It's fun.
You literally can sit in that thing.
Yeah, I can bathe in this.
Isn't that amazing?
You can shower at the workshop now. The shower curtain will go inside the box.
Yep, exactly.
I love it. I'm super impressed. You did an amazing job. Ooh, we can even like soak our feet in warm salt water after long hikes. He did an excellent job making this amazing little shower that will be enjoyed upon our return. Let's hit the trail. Cowles Mountain Summit 1.6. Difficult. I thought this was plastic, babe. But look, it's actually alive. Oh my goodness.
Super thick in here.
Wow. Like hair.
Like angel's hair.
Wild looking. Blue skies. Oh, hummingbird, you're right. Right up there. The sun is out. That's for sure.
You might want a cold shower when we get done, not a hot shower.
Yeah, maybe.
It's not gonna rain.
I don't think it's gonna rain. We've made it to the main trail. We have all these switchbacks to the top. Made it. We're almost to the top. I think I'm gonna run to go touch that thing. You wanna?
Yeah, feels good. Top came a lot earlier than I expected. Go, babes. I'm really glad she got to do it on her birthday. She made it. She just touched it. Happy birthday, babes.
Did you know that right now we're at 1,591 feet and we're at the highest point in San Diego?
We are. Good job making it up here. We get a 360-degree view up here. There's Mexico.
All those little buildings out there, that's the city.
She's off running. She's way ahead of me on the trail. I'm watching the dark clouds. Thinking we're gonna escape the rain today. Woohoo!
The parting of the skies.
Look at those two massive cloud columns. Boom, babe.
Birthday present.
You enjoy that hike?
I did.
Good.
Nice and sweaty now. Time to give that shower a try.
A hot one or a cold one?
I love a hot shower.
You like a hot
There's
shower?
nothing like hot shower on your scalp when you wash your hair. It's the best. Confession, I actually really like using the outdoor shower more than the indoor shower. But when we're in situations like this, like a peaceful little neighborhood with cute little homes, we don't want to freak anybody out. So indoor shower it is.
Yeah, if we're in a beach community, it seems a lot more acceptable to be in a bathing suit out back. Or just like way out in the woods.
Cities and neighborhoods, that's what the indoor shower's for. And cold or
cold
rainy.
temperatures, yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get in the van.
All right.
I haven't showered my hair in a few days, so this is gonna feel nice. All I need now is towel. And let's get this guy open. So we actually store all of our shower supplies right here on the side, which is really handy. Shampoo right here on the corner for easy access. Get my lotion out for after, my brush, and soap. Next up, we take our
shower hose. And we have a quick connect here, right into the faucet. And we want to turn on our... My bad.
What's great about our shower head is it has an easy on, easy off. And what just happened was it was left on. Oops.
Got you, got the camera.
Yeah, you got me. Oh, and show them the hot water heater. And why do we have a timer on it?
We have our control monitoring station up here, and this is our control panel for the Renogy 2000 watt inverter, which powers our hot water heater. It's 2.5 gallons of hot water that Brittany will have for her shower.
We got our new, is this our heater or a water
Hot
heater?
water heater.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have hot water.
Hot showers.
We never had hot water before, ever.
It's like the ultimate luxury.
It's made by Bosch, and I'll go ahead and put a link to our little amazing hot water heater in the video description for you guys.
One thing that we did is wired our hot water heater to a timer, which we turn like this. And this prevents overusage of power that goes into heating our water, because we don't want to come back and find out that our batteries are drained.
So we set it for 20 minutes. It doesn't overrun our system because it draws so much power. Drew's brilliant little hack for how to have a hot water heater in your van without using up all of your solar. And honestly, 2.5 gallons of hot water is enough for the both of us to shower one after the next. So we don't even have to turn it on again. Back to this indoor shower. The water is heated, got my supplies out. Now we get to hang the curtain. And now that our ceiling is done with our amazing 700-year-old repurposed redwood fences, Drew was able to screw in these simple little gold hooks here, and we have them framing our ventilation system. So we turn the fan on, the hatch is raised, and this is what pulls out any moist hot air while I shower.
So we raise this, our framework for holding the shower curtain out. It expands a little bit. We rotate a little bit bigger so you have a nice amount of space in there. We also considered using a hula hoop, but found that because our tub is square, we needed kind of a square rectangular size framework.
Pop it into each of the hooks, and voila.
Voila, you have a shower.
This is exciting. Shower time.
We also have a plug in the very bottom, which I've just removed, and that way we can allow the water to run out our basin without having to lift this whole unit out.
Drew drilled a hole through our van, and there is an entire tube that connects that drain to the hole in the van, so it just drains out. Now that we've explained how the hot water works, how the drainage system works, how we hook up the curtain, there are a few other things we want to point out. This, if you saw in our original video, this was a utility tub that Drew custom cut so that it fit in our amazing little drawer here. And this drawer actually tucks under our futon. Our couch does pull out into almost like a full day bed. Anything else you have to say about the shower?
We took 2 curtains in order to make this wraparound. One just wouldn't work.
And hooks that actually close so that they're not, you know, falling off of our little contraption here, which is just PEX tubing with some copper corners to give it a nice look. We liked the blue tubing. So again, we have our quick connect here, which literally is just way easy. The hot water's on, and once we have our kitchen cabinets finished, we'll probably just leave a nice little opening here with maybe a slider door, I'm not sure.
How's it going in there?
I'm still dry. but I'm making my way. I also really like the extension of the counter here because it lets me put my shower stuff like right where I'm at. There we go. Whoa. This is good. We never had a shower in the howler. What we would have given for this for those past 3 years.
It's unreal.
We put in the time. That was perfect. Standing in my little shower in a drawer.
Oh, your husband breaks his back. That's the behind the scenes right there. That was ridiculous.
I love that you did that.
I'm glad that you love that shower. And
Yeah.
you get an epic view.
Thanks for building this.
Thank you for thanking me.
We forgot to share with you guys how it gets put away. This is how the shower comes down. Just about as easy as it goes up. And when we're somewhere where we have more space, we will air it
One
out.
of the big keys is right here.
Oh yeah, that's what we didn't do last time.
I have to blow out the water out of the hose line.
Now it's ready for storage. And just like that, our shower in a drawer is complete. Time for me to get dressed out of this towel. And Drew's getting ready over here for some dronage and some lunchage. He's not going to shower just yet because he knows that he's going to get dirty at the workshop. We have some more cabinets that need to be built. He might be grinding. He's going to be doing some shredding and cutting. Things are going to get wild.
They always get wild.
So he's gonna wait for his shower, but we're gonna see you guys in a little bit. I gotta put this down and get dressed. Drew has cheddar and Gouda quesadilla tortillas. This is what I got. A mix of lentils, zucchini, and broccoli, making sure I eat my trees. There's Cowles all the way.
Out there in the distance.
That's where we just were, right up top. Yes, it is.
Hello!
Hi!
Wish you
Oh, you are the best birthday present. Look at her.
What's the story behind that, babe?
Beautiful little rose. She came from a bush, a rose bush that was planted in Dan and Jess's garden back in the 1930s. She looks so beautiful in our little porthole right here. Perfect little picture, minus the wires and stuff. What's even more fun about this is that this is cilantro. So not only does this rose smell amazing and her color's so pretty, but this is edible and we freaking love cilantro. We need something to hang our towels. Our key hook from Morocco.
Or our lion from Holland.
Oh yeah, that was a good day.
I mean, both literally could go here, but
We're gonna figure out where to hang these things and then we're going to get birthday massages.
massage
And then curry.
and
I'm
curry.
eating curry for dinner. No van-made meals tonight, and I'm okay with that. Drew's getting ready. Oops. I'll get that. Yeah, I really like these kind of rustic screws with this wood. That's looking great.
Super solid.
This is exciting.
I like it. I like very much.
And we are on our way. Massages and curry, here we come. Rodney, we're getting massages. Our room is so beautiful. Look, we each get a pretty little bed.
This is gonna be great.
I can't wait.
We are here and it is dinner time. We're feeling so refreshed and relaxed after that massage.
Yes, and I'm glad that I showered this morning because now I'm clean for our dinner date. We were supposed to have Drew shower for you guys too, but we're just too hungry, so we're gonna go enjoy dinner, and we hope that you enjoyed this episode, that you loved seeing how our shower in a drawer works.
Yep.
And yeah, I'm gonna go be 31 now, so thanks for joining me on my birthday. We really appreciate you guys, and yeah, all the good things.
All the good things to you guys.
See you guys next week.